Welcome to my video, Retired and Making Money Selling Private Label Rights Software Programs. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. Due to unexpected events and unforeseen circumstance, there are many retirees who need to return to work. For most, returning to work is vital to their ability to financially support themselves. Unfortunately, many retirees are limited on their ability to perform certain tasks, such as working long hours or lifting heavy materials. This leaves many retirees looking for additional ways to make money. If you are one of those individuals, you are urged to examine how you can make money selling software programs, ones that you didn't even create. If you are interested in selling software programs, especially ones that you do not have to create on your own, you need to find a product to sell. This can easily be done by searching for software designers or developers, especially those who are selling the resell's rights to their products. In most cases, these individuals make most of their money when they are creating new products. This means that many professional software developers and designers do not have the time needed to market and sell all of their products, therefore, they place their products' resell rights up for sale. If you are able to invest a few $100s, the average cost to purchase the resell rights, you may end up finding success with this popular but unique business opportunity. Once you have officially obtained the resell rights to a software program, you should receive a detailed list of directions from the seller. This list often includes rules or restrictions that they have placed on their product. These restrictions may require you to alter the software program in a small way. In most cases, this alternation will allow you to then claim the product as your own, thus working out well for everyone involved. After you are legally able to sell the software program, which you have obtained the resell rights to, you will have a number of different options. The selling options you choose should all depend on how much time and money you are able to put into this project. As previously mentioned, many retirees return to work because they are no longer able to financially support themselves. If this is the case, you may be unable to afford expensive selling methods and advertising costs. However, there are a number of alternatives that you can use. These alternatives include the use of online classified ads and the creation of your own website. Online classified ads are a great way to let the public know that you have a software program that is available for sale. The best part about these classified ads is that most are free. This means that you may not only be able to reach your target market, but actually make sales without spending dime. Although online classified ads are a great way to sell your software program, this selling method should be used in conjunction with other methods. You should also be able to sell your newly acquired software program by creating your own website. Perhaps, the hardest part of this selling method is getting your website up and running, but after that it is easy as selling could be. After time, you will find that customers will automatically make their way to your website. If you set up an online shopping cart, your product can sell when you are taking a nap, on vacation, or grocery shopping. If buying the resell rights to private label software programs seems like an opportunity that you would like to be a part of, you are advised to act fast. Your retirement years should be some of the best. You should be able to enjoy those years without having to work. The quicker you get started on this amazing opportunity, the quicker you will make money, and the sooner you can start to fully enjoy your retirement. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.